the legendary Jeep vehicle.
Well, changed the power steering lines. Holy crap, what a job. But they were rusty. And they were leaking. Man, I did it without taking that off too. You see the lines in there. It's a bitch to get up in there. And the return line they sent was wrong, so I rerouted it.
Power wheels, power wheels, power wheels, power makes it go.
Time for the rear end seal, boys. Yeah. The seal for the rear end doesn't look... I don't think it was right. Maybe I could just glue it and fix it. No. Hopefully she won't leak no more. Filling her up. I would have done a video, but there's a million of these, so nope.
Power wheels, power wheels, power wheels, power makes it go.
I got my new dash cam hooked up. We'll take her for a ride, see if we can make it up that rough power line trail. I think she'll do alright. I also got mounted a 4-port 12-volt outlet strip. I want to wire that one so it's on all the time, just in case you want something like probably the phone, so it's always charging. This little Chinese dash cam works pretty good. Finally got it installed. I also installed this radio. Stock speakers still work. I'm amazed. Yeah, me too.
Public idiot number 1.
Made a custom transfer case selector thingy. Couldn't find one online, which is kind of weird. You would think that there'd be a bunch of these. All I did was put some clear packing tape over the top of it. Cut it out of carbon fiber that I had that I did the hood with and the star. I also put the back seat in. Put the spare in the back for now. I want to rearrange the rack that goes on the back for the spare tire. So I could put the fuel tank, that jack on there. See how she does. Let's go.
The American Adventure, brought to you by the Jeep Corporation. It takes guts to go where no one else goes.
Lock the hubs in, boys. There, biatch. This is way more rough than the other power line trail. Here we go. Here's the big ass rock.
I ain't going up that hill.
This is it. Huh.
Something's fucky.
Wow.
Did you see that? Goddamn shit apple driving a shitmobile.
Wow. Come on, CJ.
Like shitting strawberry shortcake.
Conquering mountains.
That's fucking brutal.
Laughing at obstacles.
Holy shit.
Taking punishment.
Lockers would definitely help in that case.
Seeking solitude. And finding freedom longer than most vehicles have even existed.
She made it. Not very easy, but she did make it. I'm gonna take a picture while I'm up here.
Other vehicles may come and go, but a legend lives on. The legendary Jeep CJ from Jeep.
Peanut butter and jam! What the fuck are you doing, Phil? Sometimes it's a lot better to watch a shit tree grow than to try to shake the shit fruit out of it. I am the liquor.